So our upcoming speaker is actually May. Let me just do a quick slide. So who's May? May is an online entrepreneur, right? A drop servicing coach, and she's actually an owner of her own creative agency. She's been in the digital marketing space for more than 9 years, and she has plenty of drop shipping experience. In fact, check out her topic right now: money drop from the sky formula. How many of you would love for money to drop from the sky? If you love for money to drop from the sky, you type drop in the chat right now. Okay, May, I'm not gonna take the spotlight, so I'll leave it to you. Hit the floor, May.
Thanks, Hadi, for the introduction. Amazing introduction. Thanks, everyone. Good morning, everyone. How's everyone feeling? I see lots of drop. Yay, money drop from the sky. Okay. I see you guys are so excited. And you guys have been here since morning. Fantastic. Okay, let's jump right into it. So this is about drop, my money drop from the sky formula. So today I'll be sharing how to drop service so money drop on you. Okay, it's literally dropping on you. Okay, as you can see, lots of drop, right? So you can imagine like what Hadi said, that I will be talking about drop shipping. Sorry, I'm not going to talk about drop shipping. I'm going to share something even more amazing to you guys today, and that is how to create your own 5-figure drop servicing agency. Okay, I will share with you this amazing business model, and this online business model is something new. It's really new, and it's not so saturated. So you guys can actually profit from this and have a sustainable online business. So who am I? I'm May. So I'm a stay-at-home mom. I'm an online entrepreneur, and I'm also an online business coach for Digitpreneur Academy. And as what Hadi has mentioned just now, I'm a proud owner of a creative agency. So yeah, so why do I focus more on drop servicing right now? So drop servicing is something that I have been focusing on after the pandemic, okay, after COVID started. So this COVID, right, in last year, 2020, we see a lot of growth in digital and e-commerce sectors, okay, e-commerce sectors. And that is where I see a lot of digital services, digital products have boomed, okay, have boomed. And also I see a lot of in-demand services online. So this is an online service, so everything is online, right? So what is drop servicing? Drop servicing basically is very simple. It's just reselling other people's products and services, digital products and services, okay? It's all digital, right? This is something that is, yeah, so selling other people's things is nothing. I do not need to come up with my own product. Okay, understand? Everybody good so far? You understand, right? What is drop servicing? If no problem, I will give you a better illustration. Okay, this illustration is the drop service model. Okay, this model. So imagine you have a website like mine. I have the Creative Guys is my website. So this website actually promoting digital services. Okay, let's say website design services. Okay, and I have a client paid me $300 to design a very simple website. Okay, $300, and pay me through my website. Okay, and then after that, I outsource the job to another freelancer, aka my supplier. So like in drop shipping, in e-commerce, we have a supplier. So I actually name the freelancer my supplier. And this supplier very good because low cost. Okay, this fella, because I've been working with this freelancer for some time, and he charges me $100. And this freelancer do all the job, all the design and development of the website, and send it back to me after it's completed. And me, I will forward the completed job to my client. So that's it. Very simple. And I pocket what, $200. Okay, my profit is $200. Okay, so far. So what is my job? My job is a middleman job. So I'm a project manager. I oversee the whole project of the website design. So that's it. I'm just managing. Okay, I'm a manager. And after that, why I'm so inspired to do this drop servicing is also I was inspired by my kind of like inspiration idol, which is the Robert Kiyosaki. He says an intelligent person hires people who are more intelligent than he is. So I don't have any technical skills about website design or any kind of digital service. So I just outsource the drop service out the online services. Okay, but why do I do drop servicing? Why is it so such a good online business model? I have tried so many different types of online business model throughout my 9 years of entrepreneurship journey, and because I like it to be a very easy and more hassle-free kind of online business model. So the first thing is because it is low cost and no startup fee. It can be as low as none actually when you first start up. If you know what you're doing, okay, if you apply the right strategy, you can actually do not need to have any startup cost. It's actually a risk-free business. And There's no physical products to handle. If you are doing drop shipping, you need to handle, a traditional e-commerce business, you need to handle the physical products. And just like I mentioned, there's no technical skills required. You just need to drop service the job out. And then the next good thing is the most fantastic one, because you have a chance to sell high ticket sales with high profit, okay? High tickets with high profit. And also, the last but not least, is something that we always wanted, is a passive income. You can have a very, very high chance of getting a recurring income every month. Your clients sign up your package, whether it is a monthly package or a half yearly or even a quarterly or a yearly package, you can get a recurring income. So this is why I chose to focus drop servicing. All right. So what are the types of online services that I can sell? These are the 5 very, very common ones. Okay. The common ones that people are selling that is very high in demand. So please take note of this. Okay. The first one, which is very, very high in demand, which is the graphic design services. Okay. Graphic design services. Second is really, really very close and very, very, a lot of us want to create online presence. And this is where it comes in the digital marketing services. And then the third, video animation, is what I do. I love to do video services. I like to drop service, video services, and then animation as well. Then the fourth one, writing and translation services. And lastly, the tech and IT services. So IT services includes the website development, or maybe developing an app, a mobile app, right? These are all under the IT services. So these are all the things that businesses would want to have them, okay? Would need help, okay? These are the things that all the businesses need help, okay? And okay, right now I want to share with you what is the potential profit. This is very, very important because we want to have a very profitable online business, right? Online business. And okay, so what is the potential profit of the ROI? Okay, for example, let's say just now I was mentioning about website design, website development for e-commerce, let's say, okay? I have done a market research, a market price, it can range about $2,000 to $10,000. And this is for small businesses, okay? Small businesses, actually, if you want to do a website, this is the range. This is in US dollar, $2,000, $10,000, okay? So this is the market price. And if I were to find a freelancer, okay, a freelancer to help me do up this, it's going to be this price, okay? And some of this is not a very basic kind of website that they're going to design. I chose the premium one, okay? The premium type of the freelancer service. All right. So this is the same online business that I'm promoting. And from here, if let's say I just take the lowest range, which is a $2,000 market price, if I just charge my client $2,000 for this website design of 50 products e-commerce store, I'm going to profit $1,000 US, $1,000. If you want this as a side income, side hustle, you just need to close one per month. Okay, just need to close one per month. All right. So of course, with the right strategy, finding your clients, and also later I'll be sharing how you can actually get your clients free of advertisement. Okay, I'm an advocate for organic clients, meaning is I do not pay for the ads. I do not need go for any Facebook ads or Google ads. Then I'm able to get my clients. All right. So how did I discover job servicing? That's a wonderful thing that I've, after 9 years of online entrepreneurship, only for the past 3 years, I've discovered this job servicing. Okay, I have been doing other things, and this one by far is the most profitable one and most sustainable one. And okay, yeah. So because I was in this challenge, all right, this challenge of my friend actually challenged me to do drop shipping. That time I was only purely doing drop shipping, and challenged me for 10,000 in 10 days. Okay, to make okay, I wasn't okay. Just a little background. I was making about 3,000 for drop shipping per month. So now asking me to give 10K, I actually wanted to give up already. But halfway through the challenge, I actually pivoted and changed my direction from drop shipping products. I drop ship service instead, and that's how I managed to complete the whole 10K challenge in 10 days. In fact, I actually completed this challenge in 9 days. Okay, the whole majority of the sales actually comes from the drop servicing. All right, and from this I used I have a breakthrough and I discovered drop formula. Okay, drop formula. So this drop formula, I fine-tuned them and I have developed it and I've perfected it to become my drop system. So that's why I say how to make money drop on you. Okay, how to make money drop on you, and this is my drop formula. Okay, So D is actually demand, supply, analysis. I need to make sure that I have a very high demand services, and then I make sure that is ROI is actually the profit, is make sure that the service that you are selling is very profitable. And then O is actually open shop. So make sure that you do the product testing or whether it is in demand or not. Then after that, you can open shop. Okay, open shop. Then is how you you start. Okay, and then P will be profit and scale. So this is my system, my full system, and let me share with you my 10 days, roughly how much is the things that I've closed, all right? So during this 10 days of challenge, right, what I've actually sold a few packages of it. Just in 10 days time, I actually closed packages of this. I actually sold video services, video editing only, not production, okay? Just the editing only. I sold packages, okay? And the package I sold at 3997, the net profit is actually 2447. And moving on, up to today, I have been launching new services, okay? New services, and those that I've launched also using my drop formula, my drop system, and I managed to make in just 1 month, I can easily close my deals. Okay. So these are the some of the things that I've closed recently. So the next thing you want to ask me, how fast can you see the result? Okay, because mine is because I was under pressure of the 10K challenge, right? So mine is under pressure. But how if let's say you want to start it, how fast can you see? So a lot of my students actually applied my same drop formula, and they too actually see results pretty fast. Some of them close 2 to 3 weeks time. Second day, some of them like in 2 weeks time close 7 sales. And there's one more one more is fantastic. What is like today list the item and today sell immediately. Like actually there are a lot more of this, and you know what? They are normal people like any of us. Okay, we are all, some of them stay at home mom, 2 of them is stay at home mom, and 1 of them are actually serving the national service. You know, and he's in the army here, and he make actually close deals every now and then, which is fantastic, right? So it is very achievable. Another great story of mine, another breakthrough is after learning from me, he closed a 15K deal, and all of this is actually close high ticket sales. Can you see that? It's high ticket sales. 15,000 is really amazing that I think because I was a property agent, I didn't make one deal 15K before. Okay, I usually have to co-broke and share with other people, right? Yeah, so okay, these are my story and also my students, some of the testimonials, right? How about others outside? Okay, outside people, how much are they making? Okay, make sure that you take note of all their services, what they're selling, because these are all the in-demand services. Okay, so like for example, this one, this is creative.onl. Okay, so this is doing a website development, website design services, like I mentioned just now, digital marketing, and they are making $11,250. These are all in US dollar, okay, per month, okay, per month. So these people are making 6-7 figures per year. All right. And the site is only like 4 years. Okay. Then the next one will be the digital marketing services to e-commerce business. Can you see that? It's 25,000 per month. Per month. Okay. These are all I gotten from a website which is reliable one, which is they yeah. Okay. So okay, all of you, are you all interested to actually learn how all of these 5-figure agency being created? If yes, please type me. Type me. Who wants to learn this? Who wants to learn exactly in this 10 days time what I did, the step by step? Okay. This 10K, how I managed to make 10K. Wow, I see many of you me. Okay, fantastic. You guys are so supportive. And I can see that this energy in this room is really awesome. Okay. Okay, right now, let me share with you. Okay. I have this free 2-hour masterclass. You just need to scan me. Okay, scan the barcode. I will also put a link here. Okay, put a link on the description. All right, so this is my 2-hour. In this 2-hour masterclass, you will learn my secrets. Okay, these are some of my secrets only. I have actually revealed a lot. Okay, how you can copy my 4-step system to start your very own job servicing agency. Okay, we are actually starting an agency. So I will include in a list of supplier, reliable supplier for you, a list. Okay, a list. And then learn how to create in-demand packages so they can sell all in packages. And then create high ticket sales from there. And also you will also learn how to get recurring income. This is something that I always aim for, recurring income. Okay, we want passive income, right? And the last secret is I will show you exactly how I get my clients without any advertisement and without, okay, when you first started, you don't need website actually. Yeah, this is something good. That's why I say 0 startup cost. Okay, so that's all from me today. And because of this, right, I'm actually having my ideal life right now. I'm actually, my main aim is actually to really, to be able to witness the growth of my children, because I'm a stay-at-home mom and I want to generate online income from home. and also take care of my 2 kids at the same time. Yes, that's all from me.
Thank you very much, May. Thank you very much. Wow, love
Thanks,
your family
Julie.
photo. Yes. So
Thank you.
wonderful, wonderful. Now I want to learn from you how to get money drop from sky.
Yes. Go
Okay.
and click, okay? Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you.